Hello students, I am Richa Bhatt from MMPS. In previous videos, we have studied about the subsistence crisis. The people of France was suffering from subsistence crisis. Now we will come to our next topic, a growing middle class and an end to privileges. What do you mean by privileges? Privileges means special rights based on birth. Before French Revolution, many small protests were held by peasants and workers but were not successful. Before French Revolution, many protests were there, which were led by peasants and workers. But these protests were not successful because peasants and workers belonged to weaker section of the society. Now we will study about middle class. The people of middle class belonged to third estate. They were educated and prosperous. They were against the special privileges based on birth. They were lawyers, merchants, administrative officials. People of France were inspired by some philosophers of middle class. So, middle class people were belonged to third estate. They were educated and prosperous, so they were powerful and they were having ability to protest against the king. In this middle class, these lawyers, merchants, administrative officials, businessmen, teachers, doctors, all these people belong to middle class. Now, there were some philosophers who influenced the people of France and they were also belonged to middle class. Now, we will study about some philosophers who influenced the people of France. First was John Locke. He wrote a book, Two Treatises of Government. His idea was he refused the absolute right of monarch. He believed that the right of monarch should be limited. Monarch means king. He believed that king should not be given all the rights. The rights of the king should be limited. Another philosopher was Jean-Jacques Rousseau. He wrote a book, Social Contract. He proposed a form of government based on a social contract between people and their representatives. Rousseau believed that there should be some contract between people and the king. Another philosopher was Montesquieu. He wrote a book, The Spirit of the Laws. He believed in division of power within the government, legislative, executive, and judiciary. You have learned in previous classes about this. Legislative means a body of government which makes law. Executive, a body of government which execute the law. And judiciary, the body of government who punishes those who are not following the law. So, the idea of Montesquieu was that the power of government should be divided between legislative, executive, and judiciary. So these were some philosophers who inspired the people of France so much, and people of France were ready to protest against the king. The idea of all these philosophers were discussed in salons, coffee houses, and spread it through books and newspaper. People discussed the idea of all these philosophers in saloon, in coffee houses. Their ideas were also published in books and newspaper. When Louis XVI planned to increase taxes, people became angry and protested against the king. Already people were against the king. They were encouraged by some philosopher. They were guided by some philosopher that they should protest against the king. And as Louis XVI planned to increase taxes, people became angry and protested against the king. And it was the beginning of French Revolution. Thank you.